Another video, day 2. Here we go. It's May 18th, 2026, 7:29 p.m. And basically, this video is long overdue because I was supposed to be doing Active Directory last week, but I've been trying for the past week and a half, trying to figure out how to set up the virtual machine on UTM so that I can do the Active Directory. I found every single tutorial possible. All of them are outdated, so I had to figure it out. It took a while, but I did it. So here we are. Kind of just gonna run through what I learned over here on Active Directory. Okay, here we go. We got it running. This was such a satisfying thing to watch when it finally loaded up. I made it past all the passwords. I made it past everything. It took me so long, but here we are. I'm just gonna be basically running through some of the basic things that I learned. The groups, the users, how to make a shared folder, how to add a group to a group. So we're gonna come over here to Active Directory, users, and computers. From what I've understood, this is a very big majority of where all the action happens. All right, here we go. Just load it up. I do still have a couple folders and some groups from the last time I was playing with this. So essentially, just to kind of run through it very quickly, I'm gonna be able to add pretty much everything through here. You can do the new computer, contact group, etc., 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 organizational unit, printer, user, shared folder. Most of the action is gonna happen here, not just only in the users and computers section, but then also pretty much here in the main folder, testforce.com. Like, that'd be just a. So we're gonna add another one. We're gonna add Anthony. We're gonna do A. Initials. Then we're gonna do Rodriguez. That's my name. Should be there for now. We're gonna do Anthony.Rodriguez. And we're gonna set a password for this. And then so there we go. We have new user, and this user, you can do a couple different things with it. You can move it, add it to a group like this automatically. You can reset the account, you disable the account. For right now, what we're gonna do is we're going to add to a group. Actually, you know what? First, before that, we'll create a group. We're gonna create a group. The group is gonna be called example. I'm gonna make it a domain local, so keeping it within just our local network. We're gonna hit OK. And so we have example as a group. And so we're gonna move first this group into users. And so now our example group should be here in users. There it is, at the bottom. We're gonna grab Anthony and we're gonna move him. Wait, whoops. It's not like this. We're gonna go in here, click his name. Then we can make him a member of add. You're gonna come here. Example. Boom, there we go. Part of example. You're gonna hit apply, hit OK. And then if you come back over here to example, you'll be able to find that he's gonna be or members. You're gonna see Anthony Rodriguez is part of example group. And we can also from here we can remove him. So we could just hit remove, hit apply, hit OK, and he's out of there. Let's say we want to go in here and we want to add example to another group. We can hit add to a group or move or properties. There's a lot of different ways you can do it, but we'll go to properties. This is another way you can do it. Make it a member of. We'll add it to AI. That was one I created earlier. Add to group was successfully thing. There we go. So if we go here, we should find that the members would be the example. Now we're just gonna go ahead and remove that. We don't want that, it was just for the example. Okay, good. Now we're gonna create a folder that's going to be part of the whole organization that we want everybody to have access to. Here we go, it's loading up. And then so what we're going to do is we're going to go to this PC, we're going to go to local disk, we're going to create another one, hit new folder, we're going to call it example folder. We're going to come here to the folder, we're going to right click the folder, and we're going to go to properties. In properties, we're going to go to sharing, and then we can hit share right here, and we can add it to the whole of the admins. And if we want them to be able to read it or write it, we can change their permissions here. We'll say they want to read and write, and we'll go ahead and hit share. So sharing items, this may take a few minutes. It's probably not going to take that long. Yeah, it's already done. I think that's pretty much it. So this was day 2. I'll do more of these. Next one I might be doing is probably going to be a computer hardware building one. So we'll see. Have a good one, everybody.